Apple has confirmed that the iPhone 16 series will launch on September 9th, with 4 models: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium. Unboxing hands-on video. And now iPhone 16 Pro Max dummies leak again, this time showing 4-color. The Pro iPhones are definitely going to be way less playful, color-wise, than the non-Pro ones. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will see improvements in their charging rates. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are apparently going to support 40W wired charging and 20W MagSafe wireless charging. iPhone 16 Pro is expected to sport a 6.3-inch display, which would be bigger than the 6.1-inch screen on the iPhone 15 Pro. Leaked seems iPhone 16 Pro Max dummy compared to real iPhone 15 Pro Max. The pictures confirm the initial leak and the rumored action button on the side. This will be a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics the soft shutter buttons found on cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to get a new 48MP ultrawide camera and a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The iPhone 16 series will adopt a new A-series A18 chip, which will be built on the 3nm node like the A17 Pro. With iOS 18, and some of the cutting-edge generative AI features could be limited to the iPhone 16 models. The MagSafe alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models may be slimmer than before, cutting down on the size of the magnetic ring required for MagSafe-compatible cases. It will be interesting to see what Apple brings around new with its upcoming iPhones. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.